Hello, we are the Binary Brains, and this is our video presentation for the IBM TechXchange 2024. We have solved the issues of the agricultural supply chain using IBM's watsonx AI and the Granite Time Series foundational model. We address the problems like fragmented communication between a distributor and a producer, demand forecasting challenges, limited access to market trends and distributor network, and lastly, the lack of transparency in crop prices in the agricultural supply chain. We have defined two user personas: the producer, whose pain points we have just mentioned and looking for a free and open market, and the distributor, who aims to increase the number of producers to diversify product offerings, maintain optimal stock levels to meet fluctuating demands without overstockings, and also streamline the logistics. Here is the distributor portal, and this is the profile page of the distributor where you can see that you can create an order using this button, and it will take to a tender filing page where we have the proposal form, and in the demand section we can actually use this button to calculate demand using the Granite time series model, and then we can fill in the details according to our needs, and we can simply just click on generate, and it will take you to the bids database. Here there are multiple bid submission for a given tender ID, and then after going on our profile page we have a tenders database as well. If you click on that, it will open up the whatever the tender that you have created as a distributor, and to evaluate the submission on those you can click on evaluate, and using the operation research optimization model it will evaluate the bid submission for a given order. Here it will confirm your tender, and if you click on yes it will give you the bids evaluation for that particular tender, and it will show you the best match, the second best option, what you should consider as a combination of the bids, and also the final recommendation. And then you can just simply click on the place order to place the offer. This is our producer portal, and this is the profile page of the portal. As you can see in the profile page we have the submitted application for the tenders of the particular producer, and there's a crop leaderboard page in which you can go and look at the prices, current prices of the different crops and the changes that has happened per week, and also the market volumes as well. You can also check the historical trends by clicking on this button, and it will show you the historical insights based on different timelines. Then we can go to the tender list where we have the list of tenders submitted by different distributors, and we can just simply click on bid to fill the application. Here we need to put in our information based on available crops, logistic crop prices that we want to quote for the given demand, and the shipping time as well. And then we can simply click on add or submit to edit our profile. And also based on our submission, the portal will give me the chance of acceptance for my particular submission based on the profit margin of the distributor. And here, if your chances are slightly lower or on the lower, you're gonna always take help from the generative AI of watsonx. If you can click on that, it will ask you for the your particular submission ID, and then if you click on yes, it will give you the improvement suggestions such as what you need to do in order for the order fulfillment or the improve the service level, which eventually will increase your potential improvement score. And if you can click on the edit and resubmit button, it will just simply resubmit your order with the updated changes, or you can either withdraw or exit from that as well. We have also used agentic AI feature on this platform, both from the producers and the distributor perspective. So the agentic AI bot will look up the crop leaderboard for a market assessment, and it will constantly look up for the crop prices, and the producer can actually instruct the bot to create new bid based on a trigger point so that the producer can sell the crops at a higher prices, and similarly the distributor can also instruct the bot to trigger new tenders based on the crop prices if it gets lower below a threshold, so that the distributor can buy the crops at a lower price. You can see all of these in our GitHub submission, the slides to that, and all the notebook demos for all of these solutions. Thank you.